After this morning, I spoke to Raila where he is. And yesterday, I had also rang him and we spoke. Raila is healthy, as you have been told by the Deputy President. Raila is very healthy. He is walking around, jumping, and he is going to come in a few days. He will be back here with us.
Kabisa.
Yeah? Hata siku ile alienda, aliniambia. Uburu hawezi kwenda, ananiambia mimi. Hii ni familia yangu.
Kabisa.
Yeah? Raila aliniambia ni set Ramogi TV, nikamiset. Yeah? Na radio nikaiset.
Very good.